Okay, so now that we have ourselves set up to play the audio for the barricade, the debris, the wall weapons, and all that, for the successful purchase, I want to work on the denied sound. So, for example, when we head down to our data asset, we have the purchase denied. That is not correct. Let me open that up. Change it to our purchase denied. There we go. And I want to play that instead. So let's go ahead, save all, and head down to our debris.cpp and our wall weapon.cpp. And we want to find the can interact functions. So here's our can interact for the wall weapon and debris. So starting with the debris, basically we want to check this logic here. And if we remember from our interact, when we press F, what we check first is if we can actually interact. So if that fails, then simply put, nothing happens. So if we take a quick gander, go to our interactability, let's go to our input pressed down here. So when we press our input, we perform a sweep. And if we cannot interact, if we can interact, we go through and we do stuff. So we do make use of this here. So if the can interact is false, we can just simply play the denied sound. And that's all we have to really do. So the only drawback to this approach is the listen server. If they are near someone trying to buy, they will be able to hear the sound as well. But I'm not too overall concerned about that, as it's not really something that affects gameplay, and it's quite a quiet sound. So what we're going to do is basically store this as a bool. So const bool. Let's do a b can interact, and we'll just set it to that condition. So we'll do b can interact, and if b can interact, we just simply want to go ahead and do the sound. So we want to grab our purchase audio component, set sound and play, paste it in here, and we want to set the sound to the purchase denied sound, and then play it. So let's copy this if statement here, go to our wall weapon.cpp, and back down to our can interact. So in our case, we're going to do kind of the same thing. So const bool b can interact, and set it to our current condition. Then if b can interact, we do our audio stuff, and then simply return b can interact just like before. So we want the wall weapon data, and we want to use again the purchase denied sound. So once we have that, I'm going to go ahead and close out of the editor, recompile. Oops, forgot a semicolon. I want to recompile and relaunch. Okay, so now we are ready to test. The only drawback being we need to adjust our points. So let's head over to our core, gas effects. Under player, we have our init player stats. And here we have our default where we set our points. And we're just going to set it to safe. And let's do something higher, like, I don't remember how much the weapons are. 500? So 300, 300, and 300. So we buy one. Good to go. We now have 200 points. Try to buy again. And I am currently hearing nothing. We can buy this because we have enough points for that. Okay, so that's not working. Let's try the barricade or debris, and we have too many points. So let's just set our points to 50. And I'm not hearing it here either. Okay, so let's go ahead and check. We'll focus on the debris at least for now. And I just realized if we can interact, we are playing the sound. We need it to be if we cannot interact, like so. So that was my bad. That explains why nothing was playing, because the entire time we were checking to see if we could interact. If we could interact, well, we wouldn't be running that. So anyways, let's go ahead, recompile, and give it another try. Okay, Once we are back in the editor, press play and give it a try. So we have that working, and on the wall weapons, we have it working there as well. So I'd say we are pretty much good to go. I just want to confirm by playing as client and testing some of the replication. Works there. And there as expected. Let's go ahead and bump our points up to just do 1,000. So that works, and so does that. So everything seems to be good to go. We have our purchase denied sound, and yeah, I'd say we are ready to continue. Not exactly sure with what yet, but I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.